back to MG Bibs vlog. Today's video is I'm gonna be eating piska. No, no ni piska. Kaki. Kaki day mga kalalab. So, lami kay ni siya mga kalalab. Kaki in Italiano. I forgot what is in English in kaki. That later I'm gonna checking again. So, this is a kaki, mga kalalabs ko. Yun, di ba? Very delicious. This is one of my favorite fruits for autumn season and in the winter, because this kaki is, we have autumn season. When autumn season started until winter, these kakis have already, and I love this one because very delicious. And yeah, look, can also use with your hands if you want, but I want to use with tablespoon or spoon, small spoon. Actually, look guys, very delicious kake. Mm. Mm. This kake is super delicious. It's super sweet. This is a sweet kake. Mm. One of my favorite. I'm always eating this one when it's autumn or winter. So yeah, I love this one. Hmm. I want to try this one with a shake, but if I do shake, it's not a summer. So, but I want to try because I'm curious. But it's not summer here. It's not summer season here in Italy. So it's autumn season. So, but one day I'm gonna try this one with shake. Mm-hmm. Kaki, and then I'm gonna making a shake. Let's say kaki shake. Mmm. Super delicious this one. Mmm. Mamma mia. Very sweet. No need sugar. So my husband bought this kakis, like, I think this is 12 pieces of kaki. It's like a one box. It's a one box carton. Hmm? He bought this one. Because he knows that I love kaki. So thank you for watching. And I hope you like this video. See you.